welcome to another episode. Today is part 3 of our Lebanon, Indiana Courthouse. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So the focus of today's video is to start painting in this building, and for that we're going to have a very limited palette. We are just going to be using a little bit of yellow ochre and some Mars black and titanium white and just a little bit of raw umber as well, just to get that little bit of a darker brown in there in certain spots. I do my best just to follow the lines and keep those edges crisp and just follow the reference image. I used a large angle shader for most of the block in of this shapes and stuff like that, and then I would use a flat brush to get some of the bricks in later. And then I will use the same palette that I did on the sky for the windows. This will help add that nice reflection on those windows and really bring out some interesting details in this painting. that's going to do it for this episode. And if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. I love how this baby's turning out. This building is starting to look crisp and clean. Tune in the next episode and we will get a lot more work done on that building. Remember, if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share this video. While you're at it, take a visit to my website and I will see you in the next episode.